Here's the best OBS settings for recording low-end PC. First of all, we have to change video settings. To do that, go to Settings. In Settings, select Video tab. Base Canvas. Select here 9020 by 1080p. And output resolution, select here 1280 by 720. And then click on Downscale Filter and select here Bilinear, fastest but blurry if scaling. And click on this FPS drop down and select 30 FPS and then click on Apply. And then we have to customize our output settings. So from settings, select output mode, select advanced. Then select the recording tab and type, select standard. Then click on recording format. Here you can select .mp4 or you can select .mkv. So I'm selecting .mp4. And now we have to customize encoder settings. To do that, go to Streaming tab and here under encoder settings, click on Rate Control and select CBR. And then here we can see the recommended bitrate for different types of resolutions. Just go ahead and customize these bitrate settings according to your resolution. And then click on Preset, select Quality, Profile, select High. Once you're finished, click on Apply and click on OK. And now your OBS Studio is ready to record low-end PC.